Hello friends, welcome again. And this is my new project venue booking system. And I have developed this project in Python, Django, and MySQL. The version for the Python I'm using is the Python version 3.7 and Django version is 2 and the MySQL version is 5.6. For connecting Python with Django, I'm using the MySQL connector Django, which you will get easily from the mysql.org website. Even you can install this plugin or package using the pip command, right? So this all server-side technologies and the server-side scripting I have used for developing this project, right? For front-end development, because this is a web-based application, so for front-end development I have used uh, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Some of the jQuery library also have used for form validations and date calendar plugin integration. I have used jQuery plugins, right? So let's start with the functionality go through. So the project title is venue booking system, and it's a mini web based Python based DBMS project, right? So let's start. So this is the homepage of the project, and all of the content are here static, right? So this is a homepage. This is also a static page. I have not added any type of dynamic content here. If you want to change the content, just open the about.html file, which is available in the templates folder, and you can update there, right? This is a search from where you can search your venue anywhere, right, from the place, right? So just I am saying the Mumbai and booking date, right? So once you click on the search, and then after that, all of the venues will be displayed according to that place filter, right? So you can see there are various menus are here, right? So venues, right? So there are two buttons here, the details. So from here you will be able to see the details, and the second one is the login to book. So without login you will not be able to book the venue, right? So for that you need to log in. So once you click on the login, you will get the this page, right? So you must have the user ID and password for login inside the system and for booking the venue, right? If you don't have the user ID and password, just click on the register, and after that you can create your user ID and password here, and using that user ID and password you will be able to log inside the system. This is a contact us form, and it's a static contact us form. I am not saving the value of in this contact us form anywhere into the database. Even I am not sending any type of email and SMS from this page. So this is a static form, right? So let's log in. So the user id is customer and password is test. Once you log in inside the system, you will get the customer dashboard, from where customer can see the dashboard, customer can search, customer can see the my bookings and change password, right? So let me show you the change password. From here you need to enter the old password, and after that the new password and confirm password. Once you change the password, then after changing the password, you will be able to log in with that updated password, right? You can see the above menu has been changed after the login, right? So once you click on the my bookings, you will be able to see all of the bookings which you have made, right? Once you click on the view receipt, you will be able to see the receipt, right? Now I'm going to book the venue, right? Just booking date, any date you can choose, right? So there are various venues here. Once you click on the book now, then it's saying that make payment for enter the card details, right? You need to enter the credit card details. No need of entering any of the valid credit card details, just enter any of the fake details, right? I'm not validating it, even it's not making any type of external connection from this web application, right? So no need of entering any of the valid credit card details, right? So just this is the dummy static page, right? Choose any of the date, any of the month area, right? So once you click on the make payment, then you will get, okay, your booking id is 15, and you will be able to see your booking details here, right? This is the booking id 15, and once you click on the view, you can see the booking details here, right? The last thing is logout. Once you click on the logout, then the session will be destroyed, and the above menu is totally session driven. And if you log out, then above menu will not be displayed, right? Means administration menu will not be displayed. But if you log in, then above menu will be changed. You can see it's been changed, right? So this all functionalities I have developed inside this project venue booking system. And as I told you earlier, this project has been developed in Python, Django, and MySQL, and it's a mini web-based DBMS project, right? So if you need more functionality in this project, just put it into the comment. I will incorporate those changes. I will make this project more better and better according to your requirements. And don't forget to subscribe our channel for getting the latest project videos on the latest technologies. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.